How to use the power of visualization to grow your business. Hi, I'm Wanny Huynh. I'm an author, speaker, entrepreneur, and coach. I have made it my mission to help first-generation immigrants achieve financial freedom by providing tools and insight like the one you find in this video. Today, I'm going to reveal to you 2 action steps you can take right away to harness the power of visualization and have it work towards your advantage in your business. Step number 1, visualize as if you already have it. It might not happen right away. Sometimes it can even take months or even years to achieve that vision, but you need to have a clear pictures as if you already own it, right? Here's an example. When I was in high school, my parents had a friend who was pretty rich in my eyes. They owned a grocery store, they worked long hours, which allowed them to afford luxury goods. They live in a big house and drive a fancy car. I remember coming home one day from school and one of my parents' friends parked his black BMW 7 Series in our driveway. It was love at first sight. I wanted one, I proclaimed. I began picturing how nice I would look sitting in that car. It wasn't long before I get the opportunity. Later on, as I needed to move my brother's car out of the way so I can use it, the BMW was parking right behind my brother's car. As the adult was busy chatting, I went and asked my parents' friend if he would move his car so that I can move my brother's car out. Surprisingly, he handed me the key to his BMW and asked if I can move it. I tried to hold my excitement back as I quickly reached for his key. Once I touched the car door, I felt an instant connection with the car. I slowly let my body slide onto the driver's seat as my back rubbed against the rich black leather. I started the car. I can feel the powerful V8 engine roar. I put the gear in reverse and feel how smooth the gear shifted. That day, even though I only took the car from reverse and back to the driveway, that was all it takes for me to make the connection, which allowed me to dream of ways on how I can attain that goal of owning a BMW. It took me nearly 20 years to finally turn that dream into a reality. That is the power of visualization. Now, 22 years seems like an awful long time for most of you. I will explain later on as to why it took me so long to achieve it. As you're starting out on your business venture, make sure you visualize what your business will look like. How many employees are working for you and how are you serving your customers? What kind of income is your business generating and what kind of lifestyle will you be living from the success of your business? Once you have those images locked in, visualize it as if you already have it. Step number 2, never lose focus on your dream as you begin to build your path to your dream. There will be time when you will get off track and lose focus on the result. For me, it took me 20 years to achieve the goal of owning a BMW 7 Series. That's a long time. My delay in the process was that I let other opportunity pull me off course. I ended up spending many years chasing other opportunity. As you start, there will be opportunity that might look more appealing, but never lose sight of your result. Take it from me, I learned my lesson the hard way. If you stay focused and be consistent on your task and do the necessary step that will move you towards your goal, you will achieve your goal much faster than I did. It might take you 2 to 3 years, or it could be less depending on your ambition. Remember, in business, just like in life, there are many roads to choose from. Some are smooth, while others are twists and turns. Some will have construction and detour, but remember, as long as you have a destination and a vehicle to take you there, you will get to your dream much faster. Stay focused and enjoy the ride. After all, life is a journey. Enjoy every moment of it. I'll talk to you soon.